It's got the magical carbon sticker. Magical carbon! Hello! So, it is day 2, 3, but yesterday we didn't film a whole lot. Adrian just broke down all the engines. Like this Ronald McDonald inspired 4G63. Fantastic colorway. Someone was definitely eating a Happy Meal and then decided to paint their engine. Broke down all the engines yesterday out of the pallets, and Stephen's packing there now. This is the fun part where...
New apprentice,
but you have 600 and what? 600 and...
I don't even know.
I don't know, there's over 600 items from this container that are sold, need to be put here, packed, put over here, and then sent away to their final destination. We've said it for the last 3 containers, but this is the most stuff we've ever got in a container. You can hear the rain above us. It's lovely outside. Let's have a look at that. Let's enjoy. Nope.
It's just like,
horrible.
Dude, you get the best barrels ever, dude. You just like pull in, you just get spit right out of them. You just drop in and just smack it. Drop down.
A lot of wheels here, so we're going to get through them. We'll probably skip over ones that we see a lot, but we'll just cut everything open and have a little look. Wow. What is that?
Neon harder.
Very nice. So as you said before, we get stuff in, you know, that sells, so a lot of stuff is what you've seen already. Most of the wheels here, you said 80% of the wheels here are sold easily. We've had a good few months, so thank you to everybody that's been purchasing.
Friends.
Nice. Wow.
They're big, aren't they?
They are mental. Black CRK-AI.
They're the big daddies. These girls right now. There they are.
Woo! Look at him! Ah, circuit spec tune. VSXXXXX. Holy shit! Oh my god! Oh. I don't know why, but never ever get bored of looking at these. Maybe I'm just biased, but in this color, in this size, which looks like a 9.5 or a 10, 9.5. So R34 GTR sizes, and then look at these tires that definitely were not for show. AO52s, which is a brand new tire which just came out like in the last year or 2. Cool. Oh wow, Riverside Aldstat. Traditional Euro design, satisfied individuality. You love them, hard dirt. Advan AVS Model 5s, a very love-hate wheel. Some people love them, some people hate them. I think they look really nice in good sizes.
They look like the R33 TCR.
Yeah, or they look like wolf race wheels. We love emotions in work. We love our work emotions. XT7's discontinued wheel. I've actually never seen those center caps. These look old. It's like a Microsoft logo or something. Work emotion. Oh wow. Gramlite 57. 57, don't tell me. The dripping has begun from the leak. Oh. Wow. Mad lip.
Genuine BBS.
You don't see genuine BBS that much because they're copied into oblivion.
so fitted like that.
They are, oh my god, surely the holy grail size. They're 10s, man, they have to be 10s. Look like Ray's Sebring cups. GTRs, should we know what they look like? A gorgeous old wheel, they look like they've been painted a weird grey colour. Battleship grey, lad. Mad. Just primer grey. Circuit spec tune. Oh yeah. We're getting a good few of them in lately. Good to see him coming over to this side of the world. I love how we have time. Someone's going to just hate on us. We have so much time for TE37's always, even though it's the same thing all the time. And we skip over other things. SP3's. SP3's. What's the rain dripping on? More VS. We got fooled by the Raise box. Don't be fooled by the Raise box. I got SSR SP1's.
You stay there.
Lovely chrome emotions. Adrian triple stack, so he's climbing across the wheels. Advan RSDs, are they? I definitely say wow, amazing, whoa, cool, and nice a lot in these videos.
Oh, there's
Moore's East. Check these things out. So this is an SSR SP1 that someone put a Nissan center cap on and massive Geolander all-terrain tires, and it was definitely on a Jeep or something.
It's just like, dude, you get the best barrels ever, dude. It's just like pull in, you just get spit right out of them. You just drop in and just smack them. Drop down.
Deadly. P1s. VSXX.
Another classic.
Classic wheel. Lovely. Mega size P1s here, then GTR sizes 17 by 9 plus 17 or whatever. Very nice, big sizes, chunky tires. Oh cool, they're them AME fat lace. Mad old wheel.
Oh, shit, they're nice.
Cool, aren't they? Don't see them very often. So AME wheels and fat lace did a collaboration back in like 2012 or 13. I've never really seen a set. Here they are. One of my favourite wheels. Very nice. SSR Type C's.
Oh,
Did miss them.
no. Big dent on it.
So, you buy stuff on Yahoo, you take the risk, and then sometimes stuff shows up like this. Probably not holding air anymore. That needs to be sent off to be repaired.
Once we strip the tire off it, like we'll
Yeah.
have to fend it
Yeah.
off.
So like we're saying, we check everything when we go through it, and then stuff like this that presents itself needs to be fixed. So yeah, at least they're a genuine forged wheel, so it can just be beaten back into place. What are these? Yeah, they're modulo wheels, so they're probably like standard or optional extra wheels for a Honda anyway. Modulo. Ooh, lovely. Two-piece, which is unusual for a chunky size like that. Wow. Right, they're absolutely gorgeous. TE37 SL.
They're nice, aren't they?
Very nice. European mode of beauty and tradition. SSR Vienna's. XD9Rs, black.
We've seen a lot of them in the last container.
We did.
There's fucking 3 types or something in the last one.
Absolutely gorgeous wheel. Durandal DD05 or whatever. Very interesting. Gramlight 57. OPT. They're cool. OG equips, stepped equips are cool. You don't see them at all. I'm a big fan. They're definitely from like the early 90s. Right, now we've entered the drip zone. We have Elite. Advan RS. Very nice. They are fucking huge as well. Definitely like 10J or 10.5. VSXX buried under a puddle. Yeah, we've had a couple of storms over the last few weeks, and our roof is after getting a bit leaky. Lovely. Very nice wheels. Sorry that you're getting dripped on wheel, but it's just the way it is. Oh, right. Deja vu. You know, give it a polish or something. What?
Riverside.
Wow. Look at that purple. Like the middle of the spoke is purple and it's black here. Very unusual.
Riverside.
Riverside traffic star. As you can see from here, R33 GTRs. Crans Service 2 set of Regamasters. We're after getting quite a few sets in. Really aggressive sizes in this container, which is unusual.
PLC.
Deadly.
They're actually
Wow. Little PIA. It's like Forza in real life for a video game. You're actually just looking at all this stuff. Oh man.
No, they're not brand new.
No, but they
Might as well be.
fucking hell. Another wheel that's spiraled out of control price-wise are the LMGT2s and LMGT1s. We used to be able to pick these up for reasonable money, and now even just like smaller sizes still go for big money. More Moisters.
Drop down.
Oh wow! Tom's. There you go. You wanted them for the Corollas. Tom's new action. That is a very rare colour that they came in as well. Chromed. SSR Type X. A very underrated wheel. These are like... It's almost like a painted chrome on them.
I haven't seen these in real life, I don't think.
Yeah, they're just mind-blowing. Agile Minerva. They've actually started remaking these SSR. They should consider remaking a lot of other stuff too.
70. Oh, no way.
Ah, yeah! It's got the magical carbon sticker. Look. Magical carbon!